Hello everyone. So how does Wix e-commerce work? So you may have heard of Wix's e-commerce app, Wix stores. Okay, so they are called Wix stores. So if you are seeking for an e-commerce platform, even so, you might be questioning Hello everyone. You may have heard of Wix's e-commerce app, Wix stores, if you are seeking for an e-commerce platform. Even so, you might be questioning whether Wix is better than other well-liked websites, just like Shopify, Weebly, WordPress.com, or Squarespace. Are you unsure if Wix has the ideal combination of features to successfully sell your items and, most importantly, keep your consumers satisfied? We give you a thorough overview of Wix and Wix stores in the past, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your retail business, or rather e-retail business. Okay, so Wix stores is Wix's own e-commerce platform. So if you are building your own website using Wix and have a Wix business plan, then you can add the Wix Stores app to the Wix editor to access many useful e-commerce features. So I will make a separate video of the advantages of having business plans in Wix.com. So they have premium paid plans. Okay, so if this video answers your question, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.